Watermelon, that shit is the bomb. I love watermelon.
When we are work, them did a laugh, you know. No blood in me, I even Johnson on me heart, you know. For the formula, we making money to we formula. Yeah, that's the formula. Them they want me here, leave me alone, no like my cure. Just a go fi do the job.
What's up, everybody? This is Lexx. Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do another video for you guys. It's Sunday, I have nothing to do, and I said, you know what, let me do a video before I study because I have an exam on Tuesday. F my life. Pray for your sister. See, I did a different look. I did a blue lip because I've been saying that I was going to do a color lip. I've been doing black, blue, stuff like that. So today I did a blue lip. I love that color. That color is amazing. I got outside with it and people looking at me and I do not give a damn fuck. Girl, if you can't flaunt it, then flaunt it like it's hot. Not going to school. I don't want to be exaggerating because it's cool. But if I was going outside, chilling with my friends, stuff like that, watch a movie, go clubbing, anything, I will be rocking this look because I love this look. This look is amazing. Like I always say in my video, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel so you guys won't miss any video. Click on the bell notification. Let me know in the comment down below what you guys like about this look. Do you guys will rock this look? You guys will go outside like this? Let me know and put your comment down below. Give our video a big thumbs up and share the video, repost at your friend, your family, to subscribe to my channel. Girl, let's do this. Let's get 1,000 subscribers before I do my giveaway contest. So let's get to 1,000 subscribers. I think not. Pretty much I said what I have to say. So if you guys want to know how I did this look, then keep on watching. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Anastasia palette and I'm gonna apply a yellow mustard eyeshadow as a transition all over my lid. Then I will do the same step on my other side of the face, which means my face. I will repeat the same step on my other eye. Then I'm gonna apply the same palette that I've been using. I'm gonna apply like a light beige white all over the lid, and as you guys can see, make sure that my lid is all covered up. And what I'm gonna do is to make sure that I blend it out, and when I finish to blend it out, I'm gonna take a glittery gold eyeshadow and I'm gonna place all over my lid, as you guys can see, and make sure that your lid is well covered with the glittery gold eyeshadow. I like to blend so to make sure that the transition and the eyeshadow are very well blended together. Then the next step I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a dark color, is black. Then I'm gonna apply at the corner of my eyes, and then I'm going to blend it out. take my notch foundation and I'm gonna apply it all over my face, and then I'm gonna take a brush and start to blend everything out. And I know a lot of beauty and influencers like to use the sponge, the body blender, as to do the foundation with, but I'm more comfortable with the brush and I like it because I feel like I work really well with it. The next thing I'm gonna do is to take my LA color concealer and then I'm gonna apply on the T-zone. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender, I'm gonna wet with a cucumber water, and then I'm going to start to blend it out and make sure that everything is smooth, is blend, and it's ready to go. What I like to do is to bake my face, and while my face is baking, I'm going to take my Anastasia foundation stick. Then I'm going to contour my face. As you guys can see, I'm not really big on contour. I don't use really that dark. I just like to use very gently because I'm not the kind of girl that I really like to have a dark contour. So after I finish my contour, I will make sure that I remove all the baking so I can all blend it out, make sure that it's set on place as you guys can see in the video. Then the next thing I like to do is to apply my highlight. As you guys can see, I put my light on the cheekbone and to blend it out. And what else I like to do is to apply on my nose, and I like to apply on top of both of my brows because it's make your face more shiny. And then I like to put the highlight over a little bit on my eyes and then on the top of the lid. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the same gold eyeshadow, then I'm gonna apply in the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm going to take a darker color to apply under my eyes. What I like to do, I like to take the MAC lipstick. It's called Blue Bang. I got this for free on the National Lipstick Day, and I showed the color because I feel like nobody really want that color, so I just took it. And as you guys can see, it's a beautiful blue color, and I don't have the lip liner for it, of course, but if you want, you can take a blue eyeshadow liner to line your lip, but I didn't do in this video. So you guys can see, apply it and make sure that you clean it up after you put your lipstick to make sure that it's not all over the place. After you done your makeup, you take your hair and you fluff it to make sure that it's complete with the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.